Encouraging a healthy eating habit in children at a very tender age will help them always choose healthy meals when they grow into young adults. The essence of this is to reduce the possible risks of obesity, unhealthy eating habits, and physical inactivity. Healthy eating helps prevent the immediate and long-term health problems. It can also lower the possibility of childhood overweight, as well as lessen the likelihood of dental caries and iron deficiency anemia. The physical benefits of eating healthy are endless. So in this video today, we're going to be discussing some healthy eating tips for kids. Hello, welcome to my channel. As always, it's good to have you here. Quickly, let's talk about the first healthy tips for kids. Number 1, incorporate variety. Variety, they say, is the spice of life, right? So ensure you include a range of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, whole grain to ensure they get a broad spectrum of nutrients. Number 2, a variety of colors on the plate usually means a colorful nutrient on the plate. So ensure you make meals colorful to get them attracted and encouraged to choose colorful fruits and veggies. Number 3, offer your kids healthy snacks like fresh fruits, yogurt, nuts, whole grain crackers instead of sugary and processed snacks. Another way, number 4, to help your kids eat healthy is by doing portion control. Teach kids to recognize appropriate portion sizes and listen to their hunger cues. And then number 5, limit sugary drinks. Instead, encourage the intake of water and milk instead of sugary sodas and juice. Number 6, lead by example. Demonstrate healthy eating yourself, as children are more likely to follow suit. So number 7 is maintaining a consistent meal schedule to keep energy levels steady and prevent overeating. Number 8, making healthy choices when eating out or ordering foods. Choose healthier options like grilled rather than fried foods. Number 9, involve kids in cooking. Let them help in meal preparation to make them interested in eating healthy foods. And then the last but not the least, be patient. Developing a healthy eating habit takes time. Encourage a positive attitude towards a new food and avoid pressuring kids to eat. Every child is different. While some will pick up healthy eating choices fast, others will take time to adapt. Don't forget to consider your child's age, dietary restrictions, and preferences when preparing their meals. Whichever way your child turns, don't forget, you're doing amazing. If you found value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and share it to other parents who might need this. Hit on the subscription button if you haven't subscribed and leave us a comment telling us your healthy tips that you found very interesting. I'll see you again in my next video, and until then, bye-bye.